Guys, so basically we ran into another issue. The wire metal thing got stuck. You want to explain to them what's going on, Drew?
Not really.
Alright. Well, Drew doesn't want to explain right now, but basically the thing got stuck in there. Turns out somebody's been in here before and they're acting like they weren't. It's alright, Jimmy, if you see this video.
You a bitch.
Yeah, that. Anyways, we're gonna try to figure it out. If not, then this car's cooked. We're just gonna junk it. We got an LS1 for sale. Somebody give me 2,500. I'm just kidding. We don't know what we're gonna do, but we'll see. We'll get back to you guys in the next episode.